Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very important topic to discuss: tasty food for diabetic patients. As we all know, managing your diet is crucial when you have diabetes. But just because you have to watch what you eat doesn't mean you have to sacrifice flavor. In this video, we will be sharing some delicious and diabetes-friendly recipes that you can enjoy without feeling deprived. Section 1. Understanding diabetes and nutrition. Before we dive into the recipes, let's quickly recap what diabetes is and why nutrition is so important for managing this condition. Diabetes is a chronic condition that affects how your body uses sugar, glucose, from the food you eat. When you have diabetes, it's crucial to monitor your blood sugar levels and make healthy food choices to keep them in check. This means focusing on a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Section 2. Tips for cooking for diabetic patients. When cooking for someone with diabetes, there are a few key points to keep in mind. First and foremost, it's essential to watch your portion sizes and avoid foods that are high in sugar, refined carbohydrates, and unhealthy fats. Instead, opt for nutrient-dense ingredients that are low in glycemic index and won't cause a spike in blood sugar levels. Additionally, try to incorporate plenty of fiber-rich foods like beans, legumes, and whole grains to help regulate blood sugar levels. Section 3. Recipe 1. Mediterranean chicken with roasted vegetables. Our first recipe is a Mediterranean-inspired dish that is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. To make this dish, start by marinating boneless, skinless chicken breasts in a mixture of olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and Mediterranean herbs. Then, roast a variety of colorful vegetables like bell peppers, zucchini, and cherry tomatoes in the oven until they are tender and caramelized. Serve the roasted vegetables alongside the grilled chicken for a flavorful and satisfying meal that is sure to please even the pickiest eaters. Section 4. Recipe 2. Cauliflower fried rice. Next up, we have a healthier take on a classic comfort food: fried rice. Instead of using white rice, which can cause blood sugar levels to spike, this recipe calls for cauliflower rice. Simply pulse cauliflower florets in a food processor until they resemble rice grains, then stir-fry them with a medley of vegetables, eggs, and soy sauce. The result is a low-carb, high-fiber alternative to traditional fried rice that is just as tasty and satisfying. Section 5. Recipe 3. Zucchini noodles with pesto and grilled shrimp. For our final recipe, we have a light and fresh dish that is perfect for summer: zucchini noodles with pesto and grilled shrimp. To make this dish, spiralize zucchini into noodles using a spiralizer or vegetable peeler. Then toss them with homemade pesto sauce made from fresh basil, garlic, pine nuts, and olive oil. Grill some shrimp on skewers until they are pink and opaque. Then serve them on top of the zucchini noodles for a protein-packed meal that is as beautiful as it is delicious. In conclusion, eating well with diabetes doesn't have to be boring or bland. By focusing on nutrient-dense ingredients and preparing meals that are both delicious and diabetes-friendly, you can enjoy a wide variety of tasty foods while still managing your condition effectively. We hope you enjoyed these recipes and that they inspire you to get creative in the kitchen. Remember, with a little bit of planning and some healthy swaps, you can still indulge in your favorite foods without compromising your health. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.